Hi everyone, Ronnie here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make perfect Spanish rice every time in your Instant Pot. You're just going to need white rice, a little bit of tomato sauce, some tomato flavored chicken bouillon, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and of course, oil. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I make a lot of videos relevant to homemaking. Let's get right into the video. So what I did is I put this on the saute function. Okay, this is an Instant Pot. I put it on the saute function, and then I added 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I let that heat for about a minute, and then I dumped in 2 cups of white long grain rice. And I'm just kind of stirring that occasionally. Now, once the rice is a little bit brown, like not that brown, but you're gonna see a few brown pieces in there. Hopefully you can see that. Then it's time to add the water. We have 2 3/4 cups water. Okay. Then we're gonna use this product. Caldo de tomate con sabor de pollo. So I'm going to put 3½ teaspoons of this. 1, 2, generous ones, okay? 3½. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay? Then I'm going to open up some tomato sauce, and you could actually make it without this, but this is how I like to do it. That pepper's getting to me. So I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of tomato sauce. You don't need that much. You don't need as much as you would in other recipes because the bouillon that I used was flavored with tomato. I'm gonna just kind of stir it out. Always make sure that this rubber ring is in correctly. Sometimes that can slip out of place. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm used to having it more at this angle. Okay, makes a sound once it's happy. Put it to sealed. Then I'm gonna press my rice button. Oops. First I have to cancel what I'm doing because I'm on the saute function. So I'm gonna hit keep warm / cancel, then I'm gonna hit rice. Now your rice button might not make it go to a 10, and that's because you can change these default settings. So if yours has another number on it, you can press the plus or minus to get it to a 10. Now it just says on, and that means it's coming to pressure. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so the Instant Pot just beeped, and this is what it looks like after it comes to pressure and then counts down those 10 minutes. It has an L with the zeros. We're gonna wait until this says L013. In other words, what we're doing is a natural pressure release for 13 minutes. So I'm just gonna set the timer on my stove so that I don't get distracted, and then I'll come back. Please resist the urge to add in things like cumin, chili powder. You can make something spicy to go with this, but if you add a bunch of stuff in here, your rice isn't gonna taste like how it does in the restaurant. So just trust me, this is all you need right here. So it's almost time to take the lid off. I'm gonna grab a towel. Okay, so we're gonna release any remaining pressure. There's just a tiny bit. A lot of people worry about the steam coming up from there, but that's my timer on the stove that was reminding me that this was gonna be done. A lot of people worry about that, but to me, the part where you could get scalded is when you remove the lid. So I like to wrap it up with a towel, like so. Okay. Let's take a look at my rice. Fluff that up a little bit with a fork. And look at that perfect consistency. plate some up. Now you might be worried whether or not this is authentic, so this is going to be taste tested by my Latin lover.
What's up, people? Check this out. Pretty dang good, honey. Pretty good. Now give me something to go with it.